Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra, and on this show, I'm going to be discussing all about the market opening action with you. So, today was the day when the markets actually opened on a flat note, but just minutes into the trade, the markets were higher, and the Sensex and the Nifty were seen trading on, with gains about 0.3 odd percent. Now, this was on the back of the mixed global cues that we had been seeing overnight and across Asian markets as well. But the markets will be reacting on the domestic cues more than the international cues today because a whole host of earnings will be flooding in. We do have earnings from the weekend as well. Some of the big names like HCL Technologies, HDFC Bank, all of them are in focus in today's trading session. Let's look at the opening levels first. But the Sensex was up about 75 odd points, or just about 1/10 of a percent higher at 61,297 at the early trade. Also, the Nifty was up by about 30 odd points, or 0.16% higher at 18,285. Right at in the minutes into the trade, about 1674 shares are trading with the advances, whereas the 650 shares have actually declined in the opening action. Also, 134 shares are such which are unchanged at the moment. A whole host of other stocks are in focus, like ONGC, Hero Motorcorp, IOC, Tata Motors, Adani Ports. These are the major gainers on the Nifty right within the first 10-15 minutes of trade. Also, when we talk about the losers, you do have HCL Technologies that has seen a miss on the margins front, not really exciting the investors. And the if you see analysts also, because on the whole there is a very very strong top line number that HCL Technologies has reported, but the margins are definitely a miss, which is why you're seeing HCL Technologies drag down 5% right in the early trade. Titan Company, Axis Bank, Cipla, Ultratech Cement, all of these are also trading with some losses. Now, we did speak to some experts who believe that near-term uptrend of the Nifty still remains quite intact, and sustainable buying from dips and an overall positive pattern on the daily chart signals the next upside target would be 18,600 for this week, and the immediate support will be 18,100. So keep that range in mind in case you're trading for this week into this Nifty, and with this trading range, it will help you trade with a whole lot of positive, information as well. A whole host of other stocks will be in focus because today, on January 17, we have very big names coming out with their earnings today, like Ultratech Cement will be out with its earnings as well. Tatva Chindan Pharma, of course, the recently listed stock, will be coming out with its earnings as well. We do have a whole host of newbies coming out with their earnings, like an Angel One, HFCL. We have Sonata Software coming out with its earnings too. We have Finotex Chemical, Good Luck India, Hathway Cable, KPI Global Infrastructure, Maharashtra Scooters, Podar Pigments, Tiger Logistics, Vikas Ecotech. All of them will be reporting their earnings today. So do keep these stocks in mind in case you own any of these stocks in your portfolio. It'll be positive. It'll be good for you to track all these developments on the earnings front as well. Now, when we talk about the institutional investment level, the FIIs have been net sellers yet again. We did see the FIIs selling about 1,600 crore worth of shares on Friday. Domestic institutional investors, however, purchased about 371 crore rupees worth of shares on Friday as well. Most of the other stocks which will be in focus today, of course, include HDFC Bank, that's trading slightly lower on the back of the earnings reported. The bank has reported higher standalone profit of 10,342 odd crore rupees in December 2021 quarter, as against 8,758 crore rupees in the year ago period. Its net interest income has also risen to 18,443 crore rupees, right from 16,317 odd crore rupees on a year on year basis. Metro Brands, definitely on the back of earnings, will be in focus. The company has reported sharply higher consolidated profit of 100 crores in December 2021 quarter, as against 66 crore rupees in December 2020 quarter. The company's revenue has also jumped by 483 crore rupees, right from 304 crore rupees on a year-on-year basis. HSIL, another stock that you should keep in your focus. The company has approved the transfer of business of manufacturing on a contract basis of sanitary ware, faucets, and plastic pipes, and also fittings to Briloka on a slump sale basis for 630 crore rupees. Keep that stock in mind as well. HCL Technologies, I already told you about. Let's look at the intricacies of the earnings that have been reported. Company reported a profit of 3,442 crore rupees in December. That was up 5% or 5.5% from the previous quarter. And the revenue has come in at 22,331 crore rupees. It's a very strong number as far as the top line is concerned, and it's up by 8% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Very, very strong top line right there. The company has acquired Star Schema, which is a leading provider of data engineering services based in Budapest, Hungary as well. But the margins is something that I told you is not going down well with the investors of HCL Technologies. KPI Global Infrastructure also has signed a new long-term power purchase agreement, so that stock will be in focus today. Cement majors like Ultratech Cement right ahead of its earnings. It's trading lower, but it'll be in focus. Dalmia Bharat Cement also has commenced commercial production at the Murli plant at Chandrapur district of Maharashtra. So that stock will be in focus as well. Overall, if you talk about the markets under trend is still bullish, and the traders are giving you a range of 18,100 to 18,600 for this week for the Nifty to really track the cues from domestic earnings and the macro data that's coming across the world as well. Well, that's as far as the opening action is concerned, and I'll keep you posted with all the developments of the markets and the world from business as well. So do stay tuned onto Business Today. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick with us via our social media handles, that's Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Many thanks for tuning in for now.